Hello everybody, it's Anna here today and we're here at Llandudno on the West Shore Beach, not the more famous North Shore, but the West Shore Beach in Llandudno, to tell you a little bit of history, of a bit of light-hearted history today, and it's all about Alice in Wonderland. Now, the children's classic film Alice in Wonderland, or Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, has always had a curious connection with Wales, a relationship which has been known for many years. But the Welsh connection runs very deep, all the way back to 1861, when the 8-year-old Alice Liddell, the real Alice in Wonderland, spent the first of many summer holidays in Llandudno. Her holiday home, PENMORFA, was built on Llandudno's West Shore, just across the road from this beach. And the Liddell family were close family friends with Charles Dodson, who wrote the books under his more famous pen name of Lewis Carroll. It's long been speculated that Carroll visited the Liddells at their holiday home they built here and was inspired by Alice and her adventures here in Llandudno, no doubt over on this beach as well, just across the road from her holiday home. Now, the historical record is actually rather sketchy on this point, but this didn't stop former Prime Minister David Lloyd George unveiling an iconic white rabbit statue here in Llandudno in 1933, and Llandudno has made the most of its Alice connection ever since, with a series now of Wonderland Town Trails, where you can actually go on the Alice in Wonderland Town Trail. But they're a wonderfully imaginative leap into the world of augmented reality, which fits in perfectly with the spirit of Carroll's original fantasy novels, which propel Alice and the reader into fantastical new worlds. Moreover, they're a great way to see the very best of Llandudno, which is our most splendid Victorian resort here in North Wales. So let's have a little history of the story of Alice in Wonderland. So Llandudno was the holiday destination resort of the real Alice in Wonderland, Alice Liddell, the girl who inspired Lewis Carroll and for whom he based his worldwide famous story Alice in Wonderland on. Now, she first came here in 1861, aged 8, and stayed many times in her holiday home PENMORFA with her family, which was built just across the road from this beach. So she would have had many happy times on this beach having fun. And although it was said that Carroll didn't actually meet Alice Liddell in the town of Llandudno, it's never been proven, but he did become a close friend of the family, and it is believed that many adventures were taken here on holiday in Llandudno, and the adventures that Alice had were recounted to Lewis Carroll, and that is what influenced him when he first made up the story Alice in Wonderland, which he first gave to Alice and her sisters while on a rowing trip, and he later published as an all-time favourite classic, Alice in Wonderland. And it's also said that here at Llandudno is also part of the inspiration behind the sequel, Through the Looking Glass. Another little thing to add here is the walrus and the carpenter, who both feature in the book Through the Looking Glass, are two big rocks that sit prominently here on Llandudno's West Shore Beach, and the town of Llandudno has always been proud of their Wonderland connection to the famous children's stories and, of course, the young girl who inspired them, Alice Liddell. So there we are. That's the story of how Alice Liddell used to come on holiday to her holiday home, PENMORFA, here on the West Shore Beach, just across the road from here, and how Lewis Carroll was good friends of the family, and it was Alice giving Lewis Carroll her stories of the adventures here that inspired Alice in Wonderland. So that's it. We'll say ta-ta for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure or the next Welsh lesson or Welsh history lesson. We'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now. Nos da.